Happy Saturday morning, guys. This is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and today I'm partaking in Jill Norwood Saturday Morning Make, which is open collab. I'll list her YouTube channel in the description box down below. If you're interested in partaking, hop on over and check out her channel, as well as you could put in hashtag satmornmakes to see the other creators' designs. So today I just want to share with you, I've been playing around with fake makes. This is really not the first, I should say. I did some fake peppermint candies. So I'll list that video in the description box down below, as well as up above if you're interested in checking that out. I tried my hand at this milkshake so it could look more like candy corn. And I haven't finished decorated it as yet, so I wanted to add some fun stuff to it, so I'm not sure what I should add to it. But the things that I used to create this is just an upcycle right here, the container. I did a little video and some stuff that you could use around the house, and this is from the Wee yogurt. I just took off the labels here, and these are some fun shape size glass. So I keep several of those around to do different craft projects with it. So I use that for the base of it, and then I use these multi-surface acrylic paint. I got like a multi-pack from Amazon, and then it also came with the white. So those I use, but to keep it to adhere to the glass and keep it a little thick, I use lightweight spackling from the Dollar Tree, and I just add that on a paper plate and mix each color with it, and just took a little spoon, or actually I use a popsicle stick to add the paint to the base around the inside of the container. And those popsicle stick I got from the Dollar Tree. So the whipped cream, I use the lightweight spackle as well to the top. And then from the Dollar Tree, they had a cake decoration kit that I used from the Dollar Tree, and they came with the bag and like 5 designer tips for cake. So I use that to the top of that to create the whipped cream. And this is the little bag here. I just put the leftover in a Ziploc because I think I'm going to make a couple more. So my design didn't come out as well. I don't think that I got the consistency good for the whipped cream. So the design didn't come out as well, because the tip that I used was this one right here. So it came out a little flat. And before I add my whipped cream on there, I added like a piece of cardboard that I got from my cereal box, cut out a circle, put that on top, and then I glued one of these little small foam balls that I got from the Dollar Tree on top. So imagine if I didn't have this would have been really flat. So those are some tips I got from other YouTubers. So I did that. So I'm going to practice to see if I could get that coming out a little bit better than that. Now, to add my sprinkles on top there, I use this die here, Dots and Spot die. I just love this die right here because you could do so much fun stuff. So I just got some scrap papers, and this is where you see these little sprinkles right here on the table. So I use this to create that. I add that on top of the spackle while it was still wet. Now for these little straws, I did a little haul that I got this little kit from Michael's, and then they had these little straws in there, and they call them paper tubes. They're a little harder than straws, very sturdy. So I just cut one down in half and add those there for my straws. And then of course on top here they had some pom-poms in here, and I add one on top like for the cherry. I should have created a little stem coming out of that so it could actually look like a cherry. I may decide I may do that. And then I just add some sprinkles here, some sprinkles to the top while the spackle was still wet. And this is Crystal Diamond Glitter Sprinkles, extra fine by Sullen. And then I'm not sure, I think I want to add a spider to the top of it. And I got these spiders from Dollar Tree because this is more, you know, fun Halloween decor. So, and then I also had these eyes. I had this in my stash for a little bit, and I think I got those from, you know, where Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree, Michael's usually have the dollar little section, or $3, they have $3 and like $5 and below kind of thing. So I think I got that from Michael's, these eyes, googly eyes, and they have little lashes on there, and then they have the different colors. So I'm not sure if I'm going to add those. And then these little spider here, I have a pack of assorted rings that I got from the Dollar Tree. They have the little bats, they have the skulls, and they have the spiders. So I just painted a couple of those spiders, and then they have the ring to the top of it. So I just took my jewelry cutter and I cut the ring piece off of that. So that's my make, guys. My little candy corn sundae. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I will catch you guys on my next video.